So chapter 7, indices, we will start today. Indices is a chapter which you have done in class 8 also with a different name. So can you tell me what was the name of this chapter, indices?
Exponents.
Exponents, yes. So indices means exponent. And meaning of exponent is a power of any number. Like if I write any number 2 raised to power 6. So this 6 is index, exponent. So index is a singular, indices means plural. So this number I have written, the form is exponential form. This 6 is the power or exponent or index, and 2 is the, what is the name of this 2?
The number, the base.
It is a base, yes. So in this chapter, we will be dealing with this type of numbers, the numbers in their exponential form. So few rules are there. So let's do those rules and then we can start with the exercise. So first rule, the product rule. Product rule means when two numbers, like let's say 2, it is getting multiplied with 2 only, but the powers are different. Here 3 is the power, here 4 is the power. So product rule, it says that when the bases are same, see I already explained you that this number is a base. So when the bases are same and they are getting multiplied, the power should be added. So it will become 3 plus 4. Base only one time we have to write and we can add the power. So it will become 2 to the power 7. So product rule, from the name itself you can remember when numbers are getting multiplied. Bases are same, they are getting multiplied, we can add the powers. So if any question in between you want to ask, you can ask regarding any rule. Yes, Sachin.
Miss, sorry to ask this question, ma'am. This is you're taking exponent chapter, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Chapter 7, indices.
Okay.
Indices means only exponents.
Miss, I thought you were taking factorization. Miss, you told that.
No, I started with this chapter.
Okay. Miss.
Okay. So then I have quotient rule. So little, because these things we have already done, so this introduction I'll give, then we'll start with the question. Just to recap the concept. So when bases are same, but they are getting divided and they have different powers. Quotient means something related to division. So here base only one time we will write and we will do subtraction of powers. So 2 to the power 2. Then power rule we have. Power rule means if a number has any power and outside bracket one more power is written there. Single number. See, I'm not talking about two numbers, only single number. If it has any power and then bracket is written and other power is written. So these two powers, they will get multiplied. So 3 into 6. So it will become 2 to the power
18.
18. Then fourth rule. Now if the numbers are getting multiplied, if they have any power. So then this means this power, see this bracket is there, that means this power. See, only in case of multiplication. These things are very important here in case of multiplication. So that means this power is with this 2 also and it is with this 2 also. 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 4. If bracket is written and within that any number, these numbers can be different also. Any different numbers also, any same numbers also. So let's Because same numbers we have already done one rule. So this is applicable with different numbers also, but this is not applicable with different bases. Bases should be same in these two. Then fifth, this rule works with division also. If two numbers are getting divided, and whole bracket is written outside the bracket, this power is written, or on the bracket power is written. That means this power is with this 2 also and with this 3 also. So this rule, it doesn't work with plus or minus. If I say here 2 minus 3 is written and to the power 4. So don't do this thing. 2 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4. This rule only works with addition, multiplication and division. With addition also it doesn't work. So just be careful with the sign.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, as you said, in case if 2 plus 3 whole power 4 is the number, so we have to not do like that. Then if in case that particular sum or in any procedure comes, means what we have to do, ma'am?
See, here it is, if 2 plus 3 is there, then you just can add 2 plus 3 is 5, it will become 5 to the power 4. Because these are numbers which can be added. And if any case some power is there, 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 4, something like this, then what you have to do? This case also just expand them, because 2 to the power 2 means what? 2 into 2. 3 to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Whole power 4. So this is 8, this is 80, this is 4 plus 81. Add them and then solve it. So addition and subtraction, if there, you have to solve it first. Then if any number has 0 power, if the power of any number is 0, then its answer is 1. If the power of any number, it is in the form of negative number, so we can do 3 by 1 only. So we can do reciprocal of the base. Reciprocal of a base. So it will become 1 by 3 and the power will be changed to positive. See, it works in both ways. If power is positive, we are doing its reciprocal, power will be changed to negative. If power is negative, we are doing its reciprocal, the power will be changed to positive. Still here, any doubt in any of the rules?
No.
No. So based on these rules, we can start with the question. If any other rule is there, then I'll explain during the question itself, while we were doing the question. So exercise 7A, first question. It's evaluate. So evaluate means we have to solve it till all the powers, they are removed, they are eliminated, and we are getting a number in a simple whole number or natural number form. So this is the meaning of evaluation. So first part is 3 to the power 3 into 243 minus 2 by 3 into 9 to the power 1 by 3. So before I start this question, I want to explain one thing. See, in the questions of exponents, whenever you see any number, it can be converted into its exponential form. We first of all, we have to convert it. Exponential form means if I have 27. So exponential form of 27 is like 27, if I make it factor, it is 3 into 9, 3 into 3, 3 into 1. So I can say, if I multiply 3 into 3 times, so I'm getting 27. So that means 27 is equal to 3 to the power 3. So wherever it is possible that a number can be converted into its exponential form, we have to convert it. And secondly, if the power or if the power or exponent of any number is in the form of fraction, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, like here, 2 by 3. If the power of any number is in fraction, in that case, we always have to convert the base into its exponential form. So here I have 3 to the power 3 into 243 to the power minus 2 by 3. So first of all, I told you, if the power is in the form of fraction, we have to convert the base into its exponential form. So what is the exponential form of 243? Can anyone tell me exponential form of 243?
Ma'am,
You can make factors and you can check. So 243, it will not go on 2 stable, it will go on 3 stable, 3 into 8. Yes?
81. Then
3,
3 twos are 6, 2 1 7. 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 3 ones are.
so how many times
3 power
3?
5. 3 power
3
5.
to the power 5. So that means 243 is 3 to the power 5. So only in place of this we are writing 3 to the power 5. Because we have seen I have made the factors of 243, and when we are multiplying 3 5 times, we are getting 243. So then bracket, see only in this place. Don't think now we have written this power, so this we can leave. This we have to write as it is. In place of 243, like when power is in fraction, we have to write the number into its exponential form. So that's what I have done. Here again, power is in the form of fraction. So what is the exponential form of 9?
3 to the power 2.
3 to the power 2. Because 3 into 3 is 9, 3 to the power 2 minus 1 by 3. So now we have already discussed the rules. All the rules we have discussed. Now, can you tell me which rule we can apply here?
First product of
Rule.
first we have to solve the 3 cube, ma'am. And after solving the 3 after getting 3 cube, it becomes 27 into here this 3 to the power 5 whole power minus 2 by 3. You have to multiply that 5 with minus 2 by 3. So once if you multiply, you will get a negative of fraction, ma'am. So that negative fraction, once if you convert, once if you do reciprocal, it becomes positive.
So that is true, but here we will not solve this. At starting, why we will not solve this? First, let's apply the power rule and say 2 powers are there. So we can convert these 2 powers into single power by multiplying the powers. So because the bases are same, so why to solve it? We have already made bases same. So let's convert these numbers also into single powers, these powers. So 3 to the power. So 5 into minus 2 by 3.
minus
5
5.
into minus 2. Minus 10 by 3. Only we have to multiply. See. 5 into minus 2 by 3. No cancellation, nothing is there. So we just have to multiply. 3 into minus 1 by 3.
Minus 2
Minus 2 by 3.
By 3.
2 by 3. It is 2 into minus 1 by 3. So minus 2 by 3. Now all the bases are same and they are getting multiplied. So which rule we can apply here?
A
product
minus a to the power
A
m into a to the power n is equal to a power m plus n.
Yes, in simple words, product rule, we can bases are same, they are getting multiplied, so we can add all the power. So it will become 3 plus
Minus 10 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3.
So now 2 signs are there. So 3 to the power 3 plus minus minus 10 by 3 plus minus again minus 2 by 3.
Ma'am, you have to do your this my LCM.
Yes, so first these two, okay, let's take LCM only. These two also, because the denominator is same, we can solve. 10 minus 2 by 3, because here also 3, here also 3. Or if you want
Ma'am.
directly in one step, you can do. Just
Ma'am,
take
9
LCM.
ma'am, 9 minus 8 by 3.
9 minus
8 by
8
3.
will not write directly. 9 minus 10 minus 2 by 3. After taking LCM, I have written now 3. 9 minus 10
1 minus 1.
1.
minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2
Minus 3.
Minus 1.
Minus 3.
minus minus is plus with a minus sign. So minus 1 minus 2, it is minus 3.
3.
So 3 to the power 3. Now,
We
what should I
can
do?
do the reciprocal of 3, ma'am.
Yes, because negative power we cannot solve and evaluate. We have to do, that means we have to solve it till end. So we can do its reciprocal. When we do its reciprocal, minus 3 will be changed to plus 3. Now I have 1 by 3 to the power 3. So how to solve this one?
1 by 27.
1 by 27. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 times will multiply. This power is 3, so it will become 1 by 27. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. Any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
No. Shall we do second?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am. We are writing.
So shall I start?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Yes.
Just try to take screenshot.
Start, ma'am.
Okay. So same rules. Again, we have to follow. So 5 to the power minus 4. Here, first of all, wherever you see fraction, just convert those numbers if possible. See, every time it may not be possible, but if it is possible, we can convert these numbers into their exponential form. So what is the
Ma'am,
exponential form of 1?
5 to the power 3.
Yes, so 5 to the power 3. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5 is 125. And this 25, what's the exponential form of 25?
5 to the power
5
2.
square.
5 square, 5 to the power 2 minus 1 by 2. Now, see, two powers are there on these two numbers. So we have to apply power rule and convert these two powers into single power. So 5 to the power minus 4 into 5, 3 into 5 by 3. So powers we have to multiply. Two powers are there according to power rule. So 5, 2 into minus 1 by 2. So this question is actually little easy. Can anyone tell me what should I do here?
We should cancel 3 and 3, ma'am, and 2
Yes.
and 2.
So these numbers can be easily cancelled. Same numbers, multiplication is there, so we can cancel. Now I'm left with 5 to the power minus 4 into What should I write here? 5 to the power
5.
5 divided by 5 to the power
Minus 1.
minus 1. Now, which rule should I apply?
Ma'am,
Quotient
5 into quotient rule. 5 power 4, 5 to the power minus 4.
5 to the power minus 4. So here bases are same. They are getting multiplied.
Plus 5. Plus 5.
Plus 5. But same
Yeah.
here bases are same, but they are getting divided. So these powers, what should I do?
Ma'am,
Subtract.
5 by 5. You have to subtract, ma'am.
You have to subtract. So minus 1. See, simple. Here we applied product rule. Here we applied quotient rule. So overall, what we have done, these were getting multiplied. So we added these powers and this power, because this 5 is getting divided. So this power we subtracted according to the quotient rule. So in single step we have done. Anyone, any doubt in this step?
No, ma'am.
So 5 to the power minus 4 plus 5.
1.
1.
1 minus of minus 1. Minus.
Plus, ma'am,
Plus.
5 to the power 2.
5 to the power 2.
Is equal
5
to
to the power
25.
2. Yes. So 5 into 5. So it is equal to 25.
Done, ma'am.
So third and fourth part you try to do yourself. I will do fifth part now. Is it fine? Will you try third and fourth part?
Yes, ma'am.
(16 by 81) to the power minus 3 by 4 into 49 by 9, 3 by 2 divided by 343 by 216
Ma'am,
power
can you move, ma'am, a little bit?
2 by 3. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
See, in exponents, whenever you see very big numbers, see the numbers are big. So try to, in that case also, what we can do, we can always try to write the numbers in their exponential form. So 16 and 81, and exponential form you can try with a smaller number only. So 16. What is the exponential form of 16?
4 to the power 2.
4
4
to the power 2.
2. Can we write it in the power of 2? 16.
Yes, ma'am. 2 to the power
Ma'am,
2 to the power 4. ma'am.
2 to the power 4. So why I haven't written? See, if I write here 2 to the power 4, here also my denominator is 4. So that's why I've written this 16 in power 4. I can write it 4 to the power 2 if the denominator here it is 2. So you can see these things. 81.
Ma'am,
3 to the power 4.
4.
3 to the power 4. So minus 3 by 4 into now 49. Here my denominator is 2. So we can convert these numbers into their exponential form where the power is 2. 49.
7 to the
power 2.
7 to the power 2 and 9.
3 to
3
the
to the
power
power
2.
3 to the power 2. So whole power 3 by 2. 343.
7 to the power 3.
Yes. So 7 cube is 343. 216.
6 cube.
6 cube. So 6 to the power 3 I'll write. whole power 2 by 3. Now here what we can do, see both numbers, they have same power. So instead of writing this power 2 times, let's write it one single time. So I write it as 2 by 3 whole power 4. Then this whole power 3 by 4. See, if this 4 power is with both, so why to write 2 times? Just write it single time, put a bracket and write this power 4 one single time. Into 7 by
3 whole power 2 square bracket 3 by 2
Yes.
divided by 7 by 6 whole power 3 square bracket 2 by 3.
Yes. Now all the numbers, they have two powers. So let's make them single power. Let's convert these powers into single power. So we can multiply. So you have to do it as a next step. Here itself I am doing. Power rule we are applying. So this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. This 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So what I'll be left with? 2 by 3
whole power minus
4 power minus 3 into 7 by 3
whole power 3.
4 power 3 divided by 7 by 6 4 power 2. Now see, in each step we have to see whether any same base is there or not. And this 6 also we can write, because 6 is not there, but everywhere I have 2 also, I have 3 also. So write 6 as 2 into 3. 6 as 2 into 3, because 2 into 3 is what? 6. Now again we can, if you want directly, we can you can do, but it's better to write the powers separately. So 2 by 3. See, one numerators I'll write together and denominators I'll write together. And 3 to the power 3 divided by, these are getting multiplied, so this I'll write. Here 2 to the power, what should I write?
2 to
Ma'am, 2 into
4 square.
No, and 3 to the power
square.
T square.
because see, this power is with all the numbers, whichever numbers are present inside the bracket. So that's what. Yes, Sachin. Yes.
Miss, for the 2 by 3 whole power minus 3, no, ma'am. Ma'am, in the next step, 2 by, say 2 to the power.
So now we have to see which all bases are same, and accordingly we will apply power rule and quotient rule. So 2 to the power 3. This one base is there. Here also I have 2. This 2 and this 2, it is getting divided. Is it getting divided? Or can we change this division sign into multiplication and do the reciprocal so that
We'll
it will
change.
become easy for you?
Ma'am,
Can we
we'll
do
change
that?
the reciprocal will do, ma'am.
Like in rational numbers, we do division sign, we can change into multiplication and we'll do the reciprocal. So
Ma'am, because
2
it
to
is
the,
too difficult, no, ma'am.
yes, so in simple way we can do. So this division we can change into multiplication and it will become 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 by 7 to the power 2. Now all the numbers which are in numerator, they are getting divided by all the numbers which are in denominator. So accordingly you have to say yes. Yes, Sachin.
Miss, now we'll do that quotient law now.
So with 2, this 2 is there and they both are getting,
Ma'am, -1, ma'am, -1. 2 to the power -1
So,
because you're doing
yes,
product
so,
law.
yes, product rule here and here we have applied.
Product.
So then on this 7, which rule we can apply? This 1 7 and 1 this 7. Bases are same.
Ma'am, this one, ma'am. 3 minus 2, this quotient law.
Quotient, because this 7 it is getting divided by this. See, numerator term and denominator they are getting divided. So this we have used. Now this 3 is there.
2, 3.
So this 3 is in numerator, but these 2 3s are in denominator. So which rule we can apply here? Quotient rule or product rule?
Both.
Quotient rule, ma'am.
Quotient
Ma'am,
rule.
first,
So power rule.
ma'am, first we'll solve the denominator, then why can't we
Okay.
take it? No?
Yes, that also we can do. So product rule here we can apply. Is it fine? Like here
Done.
itself 3 to 3, so we can apply product rule. So -3 plus 3. So 3 to the power 3 to the power
0.
0. So any number's power is 0, then what will be the value of that number?
1.
1.
1. So this will no need to write. Now we can solve it. 1 no need to write. So here 3 to the power 0. So that
-1.
-1 into 7 to the
Into
power 1.
1.
3 to the power 2. So this we can write as 1 by 2. And this into 7 into 3 into 3. Multiply it. 9 into 7, 63 by 2. So 63 by 2 will be the answer. See, step by step you have to apply the rules. I haven't done anything apart from the rules. Only rules I have used and I have done this. So you can also try third and fourth question like this only.
Ma'am, we should convert that fractional form into decimal form.
It's not required. See, the given
required,
question,
right?
it was already, no. It was in the
Because in the
fraction.
back answer, they have given in decimal form. They've converted that fraction into this.
What is the back answer?
31.5.
31.5. Same thing. No need to convert. If you want, you can convert it also. So is it easy? Is this chapter
Yes,
easy?
ma'am. Yes,
See,
ma'am.
although we have done it in 8th class, but see, now you are in 9th class, so questions will be little like difficult compared to 8th class. So today I was little slow because we just started this chapter, and from tomorrow onwards we will just little fast will do. Not too fast, but little.
Ma'am, can you move my screenshot?
Second question tomorrow itself I'll do. Today only 2 questions are your homework. Anyone, any doubt?
No, ma'am.